for, honey. You're a real pal. This business is a jungle. It's dog-eat-dog vultures waiting to eat your carcass before you're dead. And how about that little snake in the grass? Imagine all the lies she must have told him about me. Me, his fiancée. The girl he's gonna marry. You read all about it.
You must be heartbroken.
Yeah, I'm crushed. But I ain't taking this lying down. Lina Lamont is no fool, you know. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm calling my agent. I'm calling my mother. Lina Lamont is a big star.
Yes, you are, Lina, and you got rights.
Yeah, and I owe my public. Just the thought of that alone makes me ill.
Oh, don't make yourself sick.
How can you say that? Think of all those people when they find out they're using someone else's voice instead of mine.
Your voice?
Yeah, and what's wrong with my voice anyway?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, ain't it the truth?
Don't let it bother you, dear. I gotta go.
I gotta go too, honey. Now, don't stress yourself out. You know how you get sweaty and last time you got hives.
Zelda? Pals! I'm beautiful. Ain't I? Yeah. And I'm talented. Ain't I? Yeah. And if you was a man, well, you could fall in love with me. Yeah. And would you ever be unfaithful? No. Never. And you'd always adore me. Always. I just don't understand it.